Deep underground, hidden beneath mountains, lie bunkers built to survive nuclear war. But the US just unveiled a weapon designed to tear through them like paper. It's called the Next-Gen Penetrator, and it's the biggest, baddest bunker buster bomb ever built. The legacy of bunker busters. In war, the hardest targets aren't on the battlefield, they're beneath it. From World War II through the Cold War, militaries built underground fortresses to protect command centers, weapons, and leaders. The US responded with bunker buster bombs, hardened munitions that could smash through concrete and soil before detonating. The most famous? The GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, a 30,000-pound monster that could burrow into the earth before exploding. But now, that weapon is being replaced, and the replacement is even scarier. The Next-Gen Penetrator, unveiled. In 2025, the US Air Force awarded a contract to develop the Next-Gen Penetrator, or NGP. It's a direct successor to the GBU-57, but with upgrades that make it smarter, stronger, and deadlier. Exact specifications are classified, but here's what experts believe. Weight in the tens of thousands of pounds. A hardened steel casing designed to pierce reinforced concrete. Advanced fuses that delay detonation until the bomb is buried deep inside a target. And unlike older bombs, the NGP is being built with modularity, meaning it can be adapted for different missions, different aircraft, and different levels of destruction. How it works. The principle is brutal but simple. Drop the bomb from high altitude. Let physics give it hypersonic speed on the way down. Use a hardened nose cone to drill through soil, rock, or concrete. Detonate once the weapon is deep inside. The explosion doesn't just hit the surface. It destroys from the inside out, collapsing bunkers, shredding tunnels, and wiping out whatever was supposed to be untouchable. Analysts say the NGP may even use smart guidance to adjust trajectory mid-drop, ensuring it hits weak points in enemy fortifications. Why build it now? The obvious question, why invest in a new superbomb in 2025? The answer lies in geopolitics. Nations like China, Russia, and North Korea are building deeper and harder underground facilities. Missile silos, nuclear storage sites, command bunkers, all buried beneath layers of concrete and rock. Conventional bombs can't touch them. Even older bunker busters may fail against the next generation of fortresses. The NGP is designed to keep America's strike capability relevant. It sends a message: no target is safe, no matter how deep you dig. Strategic implications. But the NGP isn't just a weapon, it's a piece of strategy. Bunker busters are deterrence tools. They're meant to remind adversaries that hiding underground won't guarantee survival. At the same time, their existence raises the stakes. If every hidden base can be destroyed, the pressure to launch first, before being buried alive, only increases. It's the paradox of modern warfare. The stronger the weapon, the more dangerous the game. The risks and questions, critics argue the NGP may be overkill. Deploying a massive penetrator could cause massive civilian damage if used near cities. And if it's ever dropped in conflict, escalation could spiral fast. There are also technical risks. Can stealth bombers like the B-21 Raider carry it reliably? Will adversaries develop countermeasures like decoy bunkers or deeper tunnels? And most of all, should the US even be building bigger bombs in an age where precision drones dominate? The future of massive ordnance. One thing is clear, the NGP isn't just a bomb. It's a symbol that in the arms race of 2025, brute force still matters. That in an age of AI and cyber warfare, sometimes the answer is still the biggest hammer you can build. The Next-Gen Penetrator is proof that no fortress lasts forever. You can dig deep, hide in mountains, or bury yourself under concrete. But when this bomb drops, nowhere is safe. This is Techrupt. Subscribe now before the next generation of war breaks through.